So let's say you're listening to a song and you want a different song to play next. I'm going to show you guys how to arrange that. It's simple and easy. So let's say I'm listening to a song here, getting paid. So what I need to do is I tap on the app next here. Good. So here I'm going to find all the songs that are going to come after I finish listening to the getting paid. So you can, drag them. So this is what you're going to do. So let me see. Okay, so I did this myself, the Badman Gangster. I did that myself. So Peruzzi Diet, I just drag, good, on top. Yeah, that's an easy way to do that. Yeah, so now I scroll down to find the songs that I want them to play next. So if you're on the free version, I think there's an option you can, be using to be able to arrange your songs. Them just drag them. Rundown is not a bad song. So you just scroll and you just drag them. Yeah, something like that. And then after the songs are finished playing, they will be playing in order here, something like that. Up next. So that's it on how you arrange songs on your YouTube music. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.